How to play Ludo in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on See More. Then tap on Gaming. Now tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Then type Ludo. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Ludo Club. Tap on Play. Now wait for some time. Now tap on Friends. Then tap on Classic. Now search for the friend to send the message. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.